Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the visible records you see every day. Open your phone or activity app, then go straight to History. Select the entries you want gone, single taps for one item, press Selection for many, or the Clear All option to wipe the list. You do this because visible logs are the first privacy risk. Once done, make sure not to confuse this step with cache and system logs, which live separately and need deeper cleaning. Now you target the hidden files that persist after the visible list is gone. Go to Settings, Apps, pick the app that holds logs and clear cache or data to remove stored records. Next, open your file manager and navigate to App folders. Delete files with log or txt extensions safely. If you need system-level cleanup, use a reputable cleaner app that does not require root. Be careful. Clearing data will sign you out and remove. Finish by rebooting your device so the system completes deletions and releases any file locks. After restart, open the same apps and check history. Also run a quick file search for any remaining log or keyword traces. If you still see entries, clear app data or export important info and consider a factory reset only as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if deletions fail, backup essential data, then clear the app's data or uninstall updates. Persistent traces often come from synced cloud backups. Disable sync and delete remote copies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.